It's Jackie, and I'm back, and I hope you are having a terrific day today. We are talking about the supplies that you're going to need to build and fill your veggie box. So what we're building is a 4 by 8 foot box with simple instructions. There's a couple cuts and a couple screws, and I tell you what, I am no master carpenter. I wouldn't even consider myself a minor carpenter. So if I can put this box together, you definitely can too. Now, all the supplies that you need are listed in your checklist, but a little word that I wanted to say about how we're going to layer it. We're going to be putting a layer of cardboard on the ground where you've decided yesterday that your perfect spot is going to be for your kitchen veggie garden box. And then we've got our the cardboards on the ground to block any grass or weeds from growing up from your existing space. Then we're going to build the box right on top of that. Then it's time to fill it. So we're going to need to be ordering some soil. You can either order a load of topsoil. Triple mix is what I ask for when I contact my soil dealer because I have one of those. It's a little weird. Anyways, when I contact my soil dealer, I always ask for triple mix soil so that it's nice and rich and it is going to grow the most beautiful vegetables you have ever seen, and herbs and flowers. We'll talk about that tomorrow. Anyhow, you can do that, get a load, and it will be the most economical option. But your other option that's maybe a little bit more straightforward is to go to your hardware store and buy big bags of soil. Do not get black earth or anything like that. You want topsoil, vegetables. Find something that at least promises to you that it is very nutrient dense, because all of the good nourishment that's in the soil is going to end up in your food that you're growing. So it's important. Try not to cut corners with this one. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Anyhow, and then we're going to build it in a lasagna or hugelkultur style gardening method. So if you have any sticks or old firewood laying around, you can put it at the base of your box to act as a sponge. As the wood breaks down, it holds a whole bunch of water in your box and allows you not to have to water as often. So it's a pretty cool trick. If not, you don't have to worry about it. You can just put the soil right in on top of the cardboard. There's a little diagram in your checklist. So if this is going over your head, don't worry. You'll see it visually. I'm a visual person too. I got you. But beyond that, we're going to put soil, and then we're also going to put a fertilizer amendment. So sheep manure is a really good nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus combination. I worry about that, so you don't have to. Or a seaweed mix, which is actually a liquid fertilizer that you would mix in and then spray it on top. And so then your box is all ready to plant. Speaking of plants, we're talking about that tomorrow, and it is my favorite part, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be yours too. I'll see you then. Bye.